guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Virgo. It's a bonus reading. I have already posted a video. If you haven't seen that for Virgo, I have already posted for August month. If you haven't seen that, you missed it by any chance, I will link that into the description or the pinned comment. So just make sure to watch that too if you missed that, or you can take a look at that video again. This is a general love reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, let's see what's going to happen for Virgo in their love life in the month of August. What's going to happen for Virgo in the month of August 2020 in their love life? What's going to happen for Virgo in their love life in the month of 2020? What's going to happen for Virgo in their love life in the month of 2020? To happen for Virgo in the month of August. Page of Pentacles, maybe dealing with another earth sign, or if this is your energy, the Magician. Beautiful. Okay, Four of Swords, maybe dealing with an air sign. Four of Pentacles, Temperance, Five of Swords. Yeah, these are your person's energy, these are your energy. So yeah, Virgo. Okay, so your person in the month of August is feeling a little depressed, sad, not sleeping well, anxious, looking at the ceiling and thinking about you, wondering what you're doing. Maybe not talking to you, having sleepless nights. Yeah, quite possible. They want to manifest something. They're dreaming about, you, this situation, this relationship. They want to get it right. They are manifesting you. It's not necessary that this person might know about manifestation, but they might be manifesting you, wanting to bring things together, wanting to work on everything. Like, see, this Magician has the wands, the pentacles, the cup, the sword, everything they need. So all the boxes are checked. They know you are right for them. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing here. They are manifesting you, or maybe you are manifesting them, and this is an acknowledgement through this reading that it's working. I'm seeing this person realizing your worth. Maybe in the past their focus was on something else. Maybe they were not valuing you much. Maybe they were not offering you much. Maybe they're not committing to you, not giving you clarity. And yeah, I think this person was more focused onto something else. But now I think their focus will be, redirected to you. They will be wondering, like, where is my Virgo gone? Where is this person gone? I want their love, the craving for your love, not sleeping well. Okay, looking at your side, I see you are guarding your feelings, not showing much. Maybe you're not trusting this person anymore. Maybe they were in and out of the situation, one leg in and one leg out of the situation all the time, and now you're not trusting this person. You're like, I don't trust you, just leave the situation. Leaving the situation or asking them to leave the situation, putting your swords down. Okay, so yeah, you are done with this person. You don't want them anymore. You're not being able to trust this person anymore in the month of August. Someone is walking out, or someone is making the other person to walk out, not trusting. I'm also seeing you succeeding or victory over your enemies, having victory over your enemies, those who are jealous of you, those who are demeaning you, talking wrong behind your back, or maybe fake friends. You're all going to see the true colors of everyone around you. Those who are not in your showing as if they are your good wishers, but they are not wishing you well. So you're going to see their true colors in the month of August. I'm also seeing you want balance in your life, wants clarity. You want someone who is able to invest so much as you invest into the relationship. You want equal give and take into the relationship. With this temperance, I think that was missing with this person. They were always in and out of this relationship, and you're not ready to take any BS now. You just want to you just want to get over with everything that is not serving you, like what you're worth of. You're guarding your feelings. You're guarding off your feelings from anything and anyone that are not in your best interest. Okay, let's clarify some cards over here. I think they are now wanting to offer you something, and you are like, I'm okay with myself. If you want to offer, be very clear. Otherwise, I'm okay with myself. So it's very good. I'm seeing all of you are, for the Taurus reading also, I saw them standing up for themselves, fighting for themselves, and you're doing the same. Like, you are okay with, being with yourself if this person is not offering you anything. I'm also seeing you both are on the same page. Like, you both have grown up so much spiritually, and you both understand love much more on a deeper level. You understand what relationships are. You understand what value the other person brings in your life. So yeah, coming to realizations that were necessary, quite possible. Let me arrange these cards. I want to clarify some things. What I see here is Virgo. You both are not quite happy with the situation. Maybe you are away from each other and you're not happy. They might be proving something to you and you're not believing this person anymore because of their past action. Quite possible, because they have hurt you so much and over again. Now you're not even trusting this person. But I think they're coming up genuinely. Like, now they are quite understanding your worth. Let's see, what is this Page of Pentacles about in this reading? What is this Page of Pentacles about for Virgo in this reading? Yeah, Three of Cups. I think this person was in past maybe dealing with someone else, and they did not give much attention and time and affection to you. They were enjoying in their life when you were in this situation, and now they are in this situation and you're like, I'm done. So yeah, what is this Four of Swords about? What is this Four of Swords about? The Hanged Man. Maybe you're dealing with a Pisces. I'm seeing this person is stuck. They are stuck on you. They want you, and so they are not being able to move forward. They know, they know you are the only one that can be, with them for a long time. What is this Four of Pentacles? Yeah, Eight of Cups. I think you are now just walking away from anything and everything that are holding you back. You don't want to invest into anything that is not serving you, not giving you equal love and attention. What is this Five of Swords about? Okay, we have our card, the Fool. I think now you are more careless. You don't care much about this person or any connection whatsoever, because I think in the past you have given too much, Virgo. From your side you gave too much, and there was just this giving energy. You were not receiving anything, and now you're not trusting this person anymore. Okay, you're not going to forgive them so easily. You're going to test them like really hard. What advice do we have for Virgo for the month of August 2020 in the love life? What message do we have for Virgo in the month of August 2020 regards to their love life? Impartiality. I think in the past maybe you were defending this person. Whenever they were right or wrong, you were defending them. You were not looking at what you need, how you are feeling. But now you are being impartial and you are seeing things for as they are. You need to be impartial. You don't need to defend this person anymore or any situation in your life. You need to be very true and clear. Okay? Destiny. I think you are destined to meet, or maybe whatever is happening, you were, it was in your destiny. Okay? It was bound to happen. I just kept the card inside the deck. Sorry for that. We will pull one more message card for you. I think you both were destined to meet, and whatever is happening to make it was to spiritually grow you on some level. Okay, creation. I think now is the time to create what you want. Like you are having the power and all the necessities that you need to empower yourself to grow, to create something. You can create the love, the kind of love you want in your life. You are being able to create that. So just with this magician card coming up in the reading, I think you have the power to create something. Yeah, universe is guiding you to create something for yourself, for your betterment. So from our handwritten deck, let's see what advice do we have for Virgo in the month of August. For the Virgo in the month of August. For Virgo in the month of August. Strong. I think you need to be strong. This came up for Taurus also. You need to be strong, and I think you are already becoming very strong. Like mentally you have like grown up so much. Communication, maybe you are receiving communication from this person very soon. Many of you are going to receive communication from this person, so be ready for that communication. Maybe children are involved. Maybe this person is already married and they have children with someone else. Yeah, quite possible. Fire sign, maybe you're dealing with someone who is Aries, Leo, Sag. And the last one is friendship. You're attracting good friends, or maybe they will come up to you through some mutual friends maybe. Okay, or maybe they will ask for a new beginning through friendship. So yeah, this was it for you, Virgo. I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please hit the like button, and yes, see you in next video.